Hey guys, Joe Teti here.
Dale Comstock.
So, got these two old war horses sitting here. For those of you that don't know, we're going to spill the beans right now. Dale is 56.
Seven.
Oh, damn, you're old. And I'm 55, soon to be 56. So, some of you may be looking at us going, all right, you know, you were former Spec Ops guys, former Delta Force operator here, you know, Green Beret, and, you know, you're thinking, well, yeah, you know, Dale used to work out like a madman. Yeah, he did, but he still works out. So just a quick ditty here about longevity, and I'll just say from my personal experiences that no joke, the older I am getting, the more fit I am getting, because I have more time to commit to just working out instead of just doing other things. I have more time to work out, and
This is our Commando knife. Inspired by the Vietnam SOG knife. Whether it's for hunting, camping, or emergency survival, this knife is built to handle it all. And talking about the handle, look at this bad boy. We got the stars and stripes on the handle for America. We got a glass breaker for any rescue situations you might be in. A durable 6.875 blade. It's the only knife you'll ever need once you get your hand on this bad boy. And guess what? This knife is free just for watching this video. All you have to do is cover the shipping by clicking in the link in the description. But we're only giving away 200 of these Commando knives. It's backed by a 1-year satisfaction guaranteed. So get to the link in the description and get yours now. Hurry up and get this bad boy. Oi, back to the video.
more time to work out, and I'm focused on a very specific type of athleticism. But, you know, for those of you that are watching this, you know, don't think, you're like, well, I've never worked out. If you ever hear that, man, I've never worked out, I've never been to the gym, you know, I don't know what to do. That's a bullshit excuse. And how does that saying go? Excuses sound best to the person saying them. So it's never too late to get in shape. Now, what do you think?
Yeah, so, you know, again, as Joe said, we've been athletes all our lives in one form or another. I was growing up in that mindset. I played sports when I was a kid, and that translated into, you know, what I did in the military. As Joe mentioned, you know, we were special operations, special forces. So in a lot of ways, you know, being in that type of a unit required you to be really at your peak athletically. And I was also a professional boxer and professional fighter while I was in the Army, and while I was a Green Beret, and while I was a Delta Force operator. And I can tell you the athleticism that was required to be a Green Beret or Delta Force operator was far higher, far more than being a professional boxer. And so, and I look at some of the stuff that I did in the infantry and what it required, the stamina, the endurance, the strength to carry a rucksack for miles and miles and miles, day after day after day. You really did have to be in top physical condition. But as we, you know, time goes by, we all get older, and Joe and I are in our 50s, and Joe could probably outruck most guys 20 years younger than him, absolutely. I could probably outlift most guys 20, 30 years younger than me. I'm still running, Joe's still running. We're still doing what we used to always do. We're just doing it now in a different fashion. Actually, I'm doing it better. I'm stronger than I've ever been. My endurance is great. And I have no aches, no pains, nothing's hurting. I'm not making excuses for bad knees or bad backs. And I've got all of those. I've got a torn ACL, torn meniscus. I have a broken back in a helicopter crash. I've had concussions. I've had fragmentation wounds. I can go all day with the injuries. But I didn't allow those things to stop me. What's important is that I focus on, you know, on my fitness, because fitness really is what gives us longevity. And too many times we hear people say, well, you know, I don't have time, you know, I don't have time to go, you know, and it becomes like an optional thing. If I have some time, I'll go to the gym. And really, you have to change your mindset. It has to become a lifestyle, right? When you, every day, you know, it's like us. If we don't go to the gym for one day, we feel pretty bad about it. By day 2, if we haven't gone to the gym yet, it's like, okay, we're ready to start, you know, tearing it down. By day 3, we're going ape shit, right? So because we've gotten so used to it, it's become so much part of our lifestyle. And it's also what's allowed us at our age to do the things that we do, to thrive and to, you know, and to be all that we are, you know, live the lives that we do. I don't feel in one way that I cannot keep up with a 30-year-old or even a 20-year-old or a 40-year-old in anything we do. Yeah, sure, there's guys out there can outrun me, but I can probably outlift them. You know, it's a trade-off, but overall our fitness is you know, it's probably at the highest level that it could possibly be. We could probably eke it out and make it just a little bit better. But for where we are today,